What's going on, folks? Well, here you have it. You guys wanted Ingersoll-Rand, and now you got it. This is the Ingersoll-Rand 12 volt 3/8 impact wrench. It's a kit. It's an awesome deal. Got it on Amazon, $169. Was a no-brainer. I was searching for some Ingersoll-Rand tools. I want to showcase them on the channel. I came across this and I'm like, wow, I'm doing these 12 volt impacts right now. Let's get the Ingersoll-Rand. If you're not familiar with Ingersoll-Rand, it's a great brand, top quality brand. A little bit on the higher, they're kind of like in a league of, you kind of got your Milwaukee, DeWalt, Bosch, Makita. That's like your big four. And then you got like the upper brands, kind of like Panasonic, with some of their tools. You got Metabo, and you got, Ingersoll-Rand. Not saying that they're any better than, the Milwaukees and the DeWalts of the world, but it's just, it's kind of like a BMW. Well, it's kind of like a Lexus to a Toyota, or an Infiniti to a Nissan, or a Honda to an Acura. Something like that. Not to that extreme, but, this is a great little kit. It's a brushed 3/8 impact wrench. Got a beautiful anvil here. It's definitely a little bit longer than the Bosch. It's all metal right here by the anvil. No plastic. And it is by far one of the most comfortable tools. I mean, this is an awesome 12 volt impact wrench. I mean, I'm blown away. I mean, I was telling a couple people, Ingersoll-Rand to me feel a lot like Makita. Something about Makitas. They just feel really good in my hand. Real comfortable. With the Bosch, I mean, you guys know, everyone has a different opinion when it comes to grip. But there's one opinion that I've just seen over and over again is with the Bosch 12 volts. It's just a real thick grip. And, there's really nothing you can do about it. Milwaukee kind of has the same issue, but I don't notice it as much with the Milwaukee. But with the Bosch, you got those torpedo batteries. Where your grip is, that's where the batteries are. So you got to make that thicker so, the battery can slide in there. With these slide packs, it's more just like an 18 volt, power tool, and these are really, really nice batteries. Nothing too fancy. This impact wrench has been around since 2013. And, again, my motto is, if it isn't broke, don't fix it. I don't know what Ingersoll-Rand's plan is with their 12 volt platform. They do have a couple different tools, but they're not really too big in it. So I don't know what their future is, but, because a lot of people are going to be like, well, it's kind of like a 3-4-year-old impact wrench. I mean, they still produce these. These are still being made. It's a great design. The people I know who have this, have said awesome things about it. It's pretty much one of the most powerful 12 volt impact wrenches on the market. The only one that has more power is the Milwaukee Fuel. It has, 20, 25 more foot-pounds. But, if you've seen that impact wrench, it's almost the size of an 18 volt, not quite, but, what makes this a great impact wrench is it's just a tiny little light impact wrench. And, the grip is amazing. It's a great brand. I got it in a kit, and that's what I want to tell you about. I got it on Amazon for $169. You really can't beat it, man. You're getting, obviously, an impact wrench with 100 foot-pounds of torque, compared to the Bosch that has around 80. So, big difference in power. You might not think 20 pounds is a big difference, but when it comes to these small 12 volt, impact wrenches, you can really notice the difference. But, you get the impact wrench, obviously. You get two batteries. Cool little tiny batteries. You got to see these things. Unbelievable. You get a nice little bag with the IR Ingersoll-Rand logo. And, of course, to charge your batteries, you get the charger. Yeah, I just want to talk about the Ingersoll-Rand 12 volt charger. Comes with the kit, you know, $169 on Amazon is a steal. It's a real cool charger that has an extra feature that I don't think anyone else offers, especially in the 12 volt platform. So you got your charger, charges these batteries, these 2 amp hour batteries in around 30 minutes. You know, pretty much the same as all the other brands, but 30 minutes for a 2 amp hour battery is really good charge time. You know, a nice compact charger. Again, you can take out the adapter to plug it in. I like that. So if you want, you know what, rip it out, shove the cord in your pocket. You know, you don't want it hanging around. You know, you don't want to trip over it, whatever. So I love that feature where you can just take it out or plug it in. But what this 12 volt has, it has a USB port. So if you have to charge your tablet, your phone, anything like that, you know, and this has been out since 2013, guys. You know, later in the year, but it's coming on almost 3 years because I think it came out in November of 2013. But look at that. No one in the 12 volt, I don't think anyone in the 18 volt class, charger wise, offers that. You get this with the kit also. I mean, for the value, guys, it is an absolute steal. I can't say enough about it. I haven't been this excited about a 12 volt tool in a long time.